Shocking. This is a shocking topic. 16 agribusiness investments you can start with just 500,000 and make millions in short period of time. Many people think you need huge capital to start a business, but do you know you can start a profitable agribusiness with just 500,000? Yes, whether you are a student, worker, or entrepreneur looking for extra income, these 16 small but powerful agribusiness can set you on a path to financial freedom and breakthrough. Stay tuned in this particular video. Let me guide you on how you can make a gold mine from this particular agribusiness. Number 7 and number 12 will surprise you. Please watch the end. Don't mix out from any of this particular lineup. 16 profitable agribusiness you can start with little capital. These are things you are going to learn from this particular video. How to scale up your finance from 500 to 5 million naira in profit. Low risk and high return strategies in agribusiness. How to market and sell your product fast. All this you are going to gain in this particular content. Let's get there. Number 1 among them is snare farming, mini scale snare farming. Buy 2 to 3 snares and start a backyard snare farm. Reinvest profit as they multiply. Potential income 50,000 in 6 months. Second one is rabbit farming. Starter pair. Buy a baby rabbit for 500 naira. Breed and sell in 4 to 6 months. Then high demand for rabbit meat like and foals will guarantee you a very quick returns. Another one, number 3, that is mushroom farming. Do it yourself kit. Get a 500 naira starter kit and grow organic mushrooms. Sell fresh or dried mushroom for profit. Number 4, poultry business. Buying and reselling eggs is very important. You know, in your area, in your region, you have people that are buying only eggs. They buy and resell, and they still make huge amount of money. On weekly basis, they buy egg, large quantity. And before, one thing you know about egg is that you hardly see people throwing away egg. You can see people buying oranges, fruits in large quantity. At the end, you see them in dustbin, but you hardly see somebody throwing egg in the dustbin that nobody buy it. You see that kind of thing. That's to tell you that egg selling is highly profitable. The next one, buy a crate of egg at 5,000 naira and sell in small units. Make 100 to 300 profit per crate of egg. See how much you are going to make in a month and in a year. The next one, that's number 5, selling local organic feeds. Mix ground maize, palm kernel egg and fish meal. Sell to small scale poultry farmers in your area and you're going to make money. Another one is catfish fingerless supply. Only supply alone, just buy 500 naira worth of fingerless. Rear and sell at 4 to 6 weeks for profit. Or number 7, organic fertilizer production. Collect waste materials and manures. All these are what 500,000 can do for you. Buying and reselling poultry birds. Buy cheap day-old chicks and queue layers. You can brood and sell the day-old chicks. After 2 weeks, you make nothing less than 300 naira per bird. Raise or resell for profit also. The next one is cassava processing, garri flour starch. It's another one. Invest 500 naira in cassava tubers. Process and sell garri or fufu. This is a very good business also. Here we get cassava peas free because of people that are into garri and fufu processing here. They are making real money. They have their own houses and they have everything also. Keeping bees for honey production. Start with 500 worth of beekeeping tools. Sell honey and bee wax. Make money also. Selling grass cutter feed. Buy 500 naira worth of elephant grass. Sell to grass cutter farmers and make your herbal medicine for poultry and livestock. That's organic herbs for poultry and livestock. Buy cheap herbal ingredients like neem, garlic, aloe vera, and rest of them. Sell organic poultry head boosters. Prepare them and sell to farmers. You will make money. The next one is mini vegetable farming. Buy 500 naira worth of vegetable seeds. Grow and sell okra, spinach, ugu, and scent leaves within your environment. Sell to farmers that need them to prepare organic boosters for their poultry and livestock animals. Next one is small scale fish smoking business. Yes, you can make a local oven worth of fresh fish, smoke and sell at higher prices. Just buy and sell at higher prices. Organic insect farming, black soldier fly larva is another one. This you can start this in your backyard. Breed black soldier larva for cheap poultry feed. Demand is very high because of the cost of feed. Selling poultry manure and fertilizers. Go to farms around you and buy their poultry droppings and sell to farmers that are in need of it to grow their crops, and you make huge profit. Collect poultry droppings for free. Most of the times you get it for free. I know some farms, they want people that will come and pack it. You just buy bags and pack them, then sell to those farmers that need them at most. Sell raw farmers for profit, and you make huge amount of money after spending little on transportation. How to scale up 500,000 plus. Reinvest profit into expanding your agribusiness. Don't just eat up your capital. Use social media to attract more customers. Leverage local marketers for faster sales. Network with other farmers and agribusiness groups. Diversify into multiple agribusinesses. Starting an agribusiness with just 500,000 may sound impossible, but small beginning leads to bigger success. If you are ready to take action, let me know in the comment section which business you would like to start, and I will also guide you. Subscribe for more money-making business ideas in poultry and livestock business. Thank you for watching. Please don't go far. If you find this video very interesting and educative, give it a thumb up right now. Share this video to reach more farmers, and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And if you have subscribed, make sure you activate the bell notification so that anytime I release any video on this channel, you will be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified. Do well also to subscribe to our channel membership. Subscribe to the channel membership so that you get unlimited access to our videos and our updates on how to run your poultry and agribusiness profitably. We also guide you one-on-one on how to minimize loss in poultry agribusiness. Thank you. Till the next video is loaded. Bye for now.